Every log have a story. When we see a log, we see a lot of rings, and all these rings tell us about weather. It was winter time, summer time, maybe it was a hard time, and we can listen to a history in the table. Every table is unique. It's like a story. Every table have a story. We are in my farmer's garden in Romania. I was born here. My father was born here. My grandfather was born here. Yeah, I was born in the furniture business because my father have a workshop here close to the house. He started to work in 1950 with small shop, cutting wood, make windows, doors, and also small furniture for families here. Mihaela table, it's my favorite. We start from this idea, are two big beam of oak, and we finish with idea of barrels from red wine and white wine, and it's an amazing mixed wood with wine, with houses, with history, with design, and it's a modern, but in the same time it's also a little bit classic. I like work with our house because we share the same values together. Family business focused to the design. We research together to make new ideas, new designs, new concepts. We are in the same boat. We like very much to work together because we feel like in a big family.